Hi there, everybody. So in addition to all of these instructions and the group sharing feedback, I did provide you with a list of templates that you can use to design your learning activity or your lesson plan. The top three here are templates that you could click, make a copy, and just fill them in, and you could post those to the forum for your final product. These ones down here, these are examples so that you could see a final product and what that might look like. So let's take a look at workshop models because I like workshop models. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to open it up. And when I open it up, you'll notice, well, when you open it up, you won't be able to edit it. So what you're going to have to do is make a copy and save it to your own Google Drive. If you want to download this as a Word document, you can do that as well. How you do that first, though, if you want to make a copy, you say File, and then you go Make a Copy. You can retitle it, but I won't for now. Once you make a copy, you can then edit it, and it's yours. You can change the title of the lesson, whatever it's about, um, whatever learning activity it's about, and you really have this really neat template. You can take away pictures if you don't want, and you can reformat it the way you want. But it gives you an idea here. Let's get a connection. So I'm going to delete this, and I'm going to insert a video that I will show, and this is why this will be effective. And yeah, and then we're going to teach and learn. There's a face-to-face, maybe a whole class instruction. So mini lesson, and you can go through and you can change this whole thing, and then all of a sudden you have this great lesson plan. Or what a lot of people do is they actually just share this with their students, and their students go through this at their own pace. Pretty cool. Okay, thanks.